guys, I'm back, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do an easy, simple eye using only two colors. I know a lot of people are starting to begin and they don't know exactly what to do, or you want to like still look poppin' with your makeup and you still want to look poppin' with the wigs. And sometimes I'm letting y'all know, like, I don't know why people do this, but when you put a wig on, they put type of wig on, no makeup, it just looks real like you just try to glam up but you didn't, you know. Let's get into it. So I'm gonna first set my eyes with a concealer as a base, and I'm gonna put that all over my lid. Just a little bit goes a long way. This is formed by glitter focus and color like a staple or round staple. Like for under eye, for me it's at 2 dark for under eye. So I will do better. If you want to see my foundation, my contour, highlighting, please click above and I'll take you right to it. Okay. Alright, now that you have the base on, you're going to take your first color and you're going to take a small blending brush. This is from the Tarte palette. I'm not holding it too much because this color broke. This is my all-time favorite palette. It's my staple. I'm going to take a little bit of Rebel, which is right here, my finger. It's a nice transition color for brown girls. This is a nice palette for traveling. Let me finish with this eye. We're going to put this nice transition color. We're not going to apply a lot of pressure. We're just going to blend that out. You got to go back and do it to this eye. You're going to put it in the crease and blend her out. Alright, we got our transition shade in there, and now we're going to take our shimmer shade. Alright, I got a plain, it's a thick bristle brush, and we're going to take Firecracker, which is this color right here. This color. It's a nice shimmery shade, and we're just going to place that all over the lid. Okay, so my camera shut off, so I did complete one eye, but I stayed. So, you know, I came back to try to hurry up and complete this other eye before my camera cuts off again, because this thing acting crazy. So what you're going to do is take that shimmer color Firecracker and place it on your lid and work your way up. My eye creases up further, so I try to, when I get to this point, I just blend it out. Like, I lightly blend it out. Like so. And then I'm going to line my eyes and put the lashes on like I just did. And then for my bottom lash, I'm going to take Rebel again, that one color we use in the crease, and brush it under my under eye, just to make my eyes bigger. This makes your eyes pop more when you do that. And I'm just going to add mascara to the bottom lash, and I'll be right back. Hey ladies, this is the complete look. Let me touch on my eyebrows, because I told you in the other video that I don't leave my eyebrows like that. I just do at the end. Not everything looks good. So this is how the eyes look. 2 eyeshadows. I literally did 2 eyeshadows this whole look. So yes, you can too. So stay tuned for my foundation and contour video.